Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to draw arrows in chess.com in your phone. Either you are using iOS or you are using Android. So when you open chess and you are in the game, as you can see there is nothing and there is no option to draw in the screen. So in order to do that, we are going to go to open Play Store or your App Store if you are using iPhone, and then you are going to search for draw on screen. You are going to find this application. You just install it, and after that you open it. Then you will see the start button. You just click there, and when you click here and you go back to the chess, so just 1 second, here you can draw anything that you want, and you can draw arrows. As you can see here, you can draw anything, and of course you can change the color, for example from green to any other color, and you can draw. But unfortunately, to do that you can just do it like this, because when you go and open chess you cannot. So whenever you want to draw anything or see your tactic, you just need to do it like this, and that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.